Quiz time. Instructions. Work in team. Choose the correct answer in 10 seconds or less. If the answer is correct, your team gets 1 point. If the answer is wrong, your team lost 1 point. The winner is the team that gets more points. Pay attention to time expressions. So let's play. Number 1. I often fill in the blanks on Saturdays. A. Play. B. Is playing. C. Plays. Correct answer, play. Number 2. My dad fill in the blanks dinner at the moment. A. Cooks. B. Cooks. C. Is cooking. Correct answer is cooking. Number 3. Our train fill in the blanks at 8 o'clock. A. Leaves. B. Leave. Is leaving. Correct answer is A. Leaves. Number 4. They never fill in the blanks attention in class. A. Pays. B. Are paying. C. Pay. Correct answer is pay. Number 5. E. Fill in the blanks and email at the moment. A. Is writing. B. Are writing. C. Writes. Correct answer is writing. Number 6. It never fill in the blanks in summer. A. Rain. B. Rains. C. Is raining. Correct answer is B. Rains. I fill in the blanks to music right now. A. Listen. B. Are listening. C. Am listening. Correct answer is am listening. Number 8. My brother fill in the blanks geography. A. Does not likes. B. Doesn't like. C. Does not like. Correct answer is C. Does not like. Number 9. Fill in the blanks. You fill in the blanks computer games right now. A. Is playing. B. Are playing. C. Do playing. Correct answer is B. Are playing. I fill in the blanks. Brush my teeth now. A. Am brushing. B. Brushes. C. Is brushing. Correct answer is A. Am brushing. Thanks for watching. Great job.